our private homeschool, let's learn animals in German. Dog is called Hund in German. Cat is called Katze. Fish is called Fisch. Bird is called Vogel. Hamster is called Hamster. Mouse is called Maus. Sheep is called Schaf. Cow is called Kuh. Horse is called Pferd. Pig is called Schwein. Chicken is called Hund. Rooster is called Hahn. Lion is called Löwe. Elephant is called Elefant. Tiger is called Tiger. Bear is called Bear. Zebra is called Zebra. Giraffe is called Giraffe. Bee is called Biene. Butterfly is called Schmetterling. Ant is called Ameise. Beetle is called Käfer. Spider is called Spinne. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe. Bye!